Good afternoon, traders. It is Monday, November 21st, 2016, and the U.S. stock market is closed. Hey, the Dow kind of broke out of this congestion that we've been in, and it broke to the top side, which again suggests that, we have a very powerful market here. Um, the Trump rally continues, and the Dow, in fact, right now is like within 40 points of breaking into 19,000. And of course, today was an all-time record high, and but we're really going to celebrate when we get through 19,000. I think that's a significant indication that this um, bull has really reawakened and is going to do us some good. It did us some good today. We had a pretty good day. We only had 3 positions coming in, but we still took out over $2,000 with those 2 positions. But wow, did we get into a pack of trades today? We got into 30 new positions. That's 30 new positions, but they look real good. 19 are positive, only 11 are negative, and we are holding over $10,000 in open trade equity. So, all this looks really good, and you can see here the Dow closed, very close to its high. I would look at this and probably say this is a bull spike down here. And so, for that reason, I will call the Dow up again for tomorrow. And boy, we want an up day. I mean, with 30 positions, we don't want any retracement tomorrow. So, uh, let's let's hope that this chart continues the way it looks to me, and we have some good follow through tomorrow. We could really rake in a pile of dough if that is the case. I'll show you 3 of the trades here. This first one is UWTI, and let's just call that a stock market bull. It's going to go up. If stocks go up, it gapped up this morning, big gap there. And of course, we buy the gap. Unfortunately, it kept going for us very nicely, and we're holding over $3,000 in the stock market bull here in UWTI. Then another, most of these trades today that were really good. First of all, the rally in stocks was kicked off by overnight buying in crude oil, and when I go to a gas station, I don't like high oil prices, but for some reason, high oil prices drive the stock market higher. And so there was a lot of buying in petroleum last night. So when the market opens, stocks are up. And of course, we're trading a lot of energy. I have put a lot of energy stocks into the portfolio, believing that that is really where the action is going to be in the next few weeks or maybe even months. So we did very well with our petroleum positions today. This one I'm showing you is LPI Laredo Petroleum Company, and again, just like um, the previous stock, this gapped up. We buy the gap. It kept going and closes almost on its high, and we have over $2,000 in Laredo Petroleum. And then another energy stock, and I don't know if I've showed you this before, but it did really well today. This is WLL, and I'm looking at this. Excuse me, I didn't get this set up quite as good as I should have. Okay, we bought WLL is Whiting Petroleum Company. And unlike the other one, we were lucky. We bought this thing on Friday. We got a little pop here and we bought it. It actually closed against us, but then we're already long for the big gap up in the petroleum things this morning, and this thing just kept going and going all day, and we're up over $4,000 in Whiting Petroleum. So that's just really good. And so we're really doing good with our energy stocks. Uh, Stock market looks rosy, folks. Really looks good to me right now. So let's hope we can keep profits coming in. This is Trader Bob signing off. I'll be back here online tomorrow on Tuesday.